In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to find all tradable players in Ultimate Team FC26. Start by opening your club and going into your squad. Once you are there, press the search button, that's triangle on PlayStation or Y on Xbox. After that, move over to the advanced filter section. Here, make sure to sort the results by highest quick sell value so that the tradable players appear at the top. Also, make sure to turn off loans because if this option is enabled, you'll also see loan players mixed in. Once those filters are set, use Y or triangle to start the search. You'll now see a full list of all players in your club that can be quick sold or listed on the market. As you scroll through them, remember that once you reach the end of this list, any cards that remain are untradable. You might notice a repeated high rated card at the end, and that's how you know you have gone through all your tradable ones, and that's how you can easily find every tradable player in your club. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and like this video. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.